Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this particular 40-inch Sharp LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is standby red light blinking issue. See friends, this is the fault. The reason for this particular complaint is because of backlight error. Here actually the TV LED backlights need to be replaced. To solve this issue, this red light indicates a backlight error. So to solve this problem, first we need to replace the entire backlights with new one. After that, we need to enter into the TV service mode. And clear the lamp error from the service mode to remove this red light blinking issue. So here we already replaced the entire backlights with new one. After replacing the entire backlights, we need to clear the backlight error, or we can call it as lamp error, from the motherboard EPROM IC. We need to clear this error message. For that, we need to enter into the TV service mode. So let us start the repair. To open the service mode, press and hold these two key buttons and then plug in power. Then push up joystick key once and push down, and once again up, down, up. Then wait 5 seconds and press once. OK. Now here you can see the service mode opens. See friends, now we finally enter into the TV service mode. Now in this condition, go to page 9, select L error reset option, press enter using remote to set the value to 0. After that, go to page 2. In page 2, select factory init option, then press enter. Now this time the screen will goes to green display. After that, unplug the TV, then wait for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, again power on the TV. Now the TV will work properly. See friends, After resetting the backlight error or lamp error in service mode, now the TV will work properly without red light blinking issue. Once again, I will tell you the steps to entering service mode in Sharp LED TV. First, unplug the TV unit. Then secondly, press and hold both input and power button together up to 10 seconds. After that, the indicator light will blink fastly, either green or red, or the red light will blink fastly. In that situation, press the joystick up button, down, up in the joystick. When the screen display comes with grey color, hold the input button in the joystick to open service mode and release the joystick. See friends, after clearing the backlight error or lamp error from the service mode, now the TV is working properly without any red light blinking problem. Now finally the TV is repaired successfully without any complaints. See, now the TV is working properly. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Have a nice day.